meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
The thought of camel milk and maybe dipping an Oreo cookie or two in it, and Pete just kind of, you're not sold on the camel milk study, huh?
I'm not completely sold, but I do eat a lot of cereal. So it's something, if it starts becoming more common, I guess it's something I'll be eating a lot of.
Who knows? Coming soon to a store near you.
Absolutely. Coming soon to a backyard near us. Just some cooler, more comfortable weather.
Like it.
I think we'll take it. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Not picking up on any precipitation as we scan the skies across southern New England. Weather headlines break down like this. Today will still be warm, but not as humid as we saw yesterday, so a little bit of relief out there. Cooler air is on the way for tomorrow, and then no widespread rain in the forecast. Of course, the lawns and gardens could certainly use it, but I'm not really seeing that soaking rain that we could use. Down City, Providence, you can see it's a little hazy out there. Not too bad, though. 81 is our temperature. Dew point is 61 degrees. Keep in mind, at this point yesterday, dew points were in the upper 60s and low 70s, so certainly more comfortable out there right now. We continue that trend into the afternoon. Winds out of the east at 7 miles an hour. That's a cooler wind direction for us. And check out some of these temperatures because of those winds off the ocean. Boston right now at 74 degrees. Plymouth 76. We're in the mid-70s out here on the Cape. It does get slightly warmer as we move inland. Providence 81. Westerly up to 83 degrees. Satellite picture shows that cold front stalling or pushing just down to our south, I should say. High pressure off to our north and west. In between this, we have that flow of wind from the east and northeast, and this will help cap our temperatures to slightly cooler levels compared to what we saw yesterday. Here is that futurecast. We go hour by hour, a mix of clouds and sun, with the sun kind of winning out this afternoon. Tomorrow we start out with sun, but by tomorrow night, I think the clouds roll in pretty quickly, and for those of you that were planning on checking out the meteor shower tomorrow night, not great news. It does look like plenty of clouds out there. As for this afternoon, not too much in the way of cloud cover. 85 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. By 5, we're down to 81 degrees. Temperatures running in the mid-80s along the South Shore, 84 in Jamestown, westerly 85. West Greenwich getting up to 86 degrees with those breezes out of the east and northeast. Northern Rhode Island temperatures in the mid-80s with Pawtucket 85 degrees, West Warwick 85, Chepachet 85, and mid-80s for Coventry. Coastal Massachusetts temperatures in the mid to upper 80s today, 84 Westport, New Bedford 85. And again, as we work closer to the eastern Massachusetts coast, Plymouth County out towards the Cape, we'll see temperatures more in the range of the low 80s because of those winds out of the east. Middletown 84 degrees, Seekonk 85 with mostly sunny skies. Out on the water today, winds out of the northeast, 5 to 10 knots, waves relatively small. Low tide coming up at 3 o'clock this afternoon. And a pretty nice looking beach day, not quite as warm and humid as yesterday, but still a nice day to jump in the water. Temperatures upper 70s to low 80s. Now tonight, you'll start to feel that difference in the air compared to last night. Last night was AC required, not necessarily for tonight, especially as temperatures dive into the upper 60s after midnight, going for low 60s for overnight low temperatures. All right, here is the update on Tropical Depression number 5. You can see it lurking here on the Gulf Coast. Actually, some good news with this storm. The track right now, our computer model is actually speeding up the track of this, so instead of arriving along the Gulf Coast tomorrow evening, it looks like as early as tomorrow morning it could arrive in places along the Gulf Coast. New Orleans right now is in the center of this track. Now, because it's speeding up, that's actually a good thing. It will have less time to strengthen. We still expect this to strengthen into a tropical storm. Tropical storm warnings in effect for much of the Gulf Coast. They're expecting heavy rain and maybe some storm surge, but at least because it's speeding up, it will have less time to intensify. 7-day futurecast shows cooler, comfortable weather on the way for Thursday. Friday, a comfortable one as well. High temperature is 78. There is a slight chance overnight, tomorrow night into Friday, of a quick shower, but I'm leaving it out of the forecast for now. A nice start to the weekend, 81, humidity low, and then the humidity does start to rise again on Sunday. Mostly sunny skies, highs in the mid-80s, and then warm and humid for Monday and Tuesday with the chance of some isolated showers and thunderstorms. But all in all, nice looking day. You can get the latest updates on Cox Digital Cable Channel 125. So good beach day, a good golf day, good everything day today.
It's pretty cool that you have the ability to just not put the showers in there when you don't feel like it.
I do, I just didn't feel like doing it. It's a very powerful feeling.
That's great. Good. That's nice. Thanks, Pete. Now here's a look at what we're working on for Eyewitness News beginning live.